So I'm off to another city today, another place, boarding the ferry. People are at the harbor, just taking a look. I'm going to be traveling here on top of the boat. In the meanwhile, let me just check what it really looks like from the top. You can see a lot of people still boarding over there, and this is today's view. And that is where I'm going to be sitting or traveling throughout this journey. So really interesting to see how the currents and the waves of the sea work out and how it behaves. Get a first-hand experience.